that he owns me already. Because that one Raven is not in Bigo anymore. So he become my top one. So he thought he owns me and already. And what he wanted is every time he's in my life, I have to thank you. I have to give him special attention. What if there's other supporters there, other admins there? He only want me to talk to him if he's in my live. And also, if he's in my WhatsApp, he wanted me to end the live and just talk to him in WhatsApp and wait for him because it's like he is only available for call around 4:30 or 5:30. He's only available for call. And I have to wait. I have to stay up until 4:30 to 5:30 in the morning here. And I'm working that time from 1 a.m. I have to wait for him 4:30 to 5:30. If I wasn't able to answer, he will get mad. And at first it's like I'm worried because it's not because of the gift, it's because I don't want him to feel like I don't appreciate his effort or his spendings. It's because the reason why I wasn't able to answer that is because I'm tired also. And when I wasn't able to answer, he thought that he even told me, I even showed it to Raven, what I experienced from other supporters. This is what are the words that I received from supporters. He told me that I don't know how to appreciate him, despite of the time that I spent for him. Imagine I waited until 4:30 to 5:30 just to answer his call, and he will say, "I don't appreciate it." So from then, I let him go. For me, it's like, if you're not happy supporting me, if you feel that way, I will just let him go. I don't want you to make feel bad. Hello, Trevor Roberts. I don't want you to make feel bad because you feel that I don't appreciate you. I appreciate you, but it's just that I also have my life outside Bigo, not only because of other supporters. Most of the time, if I'm not online, especially when I'm bad. You're so lucky if I was able to respond to your message, because I try to keep myself away from the app if I'm not in Bigo, because for me I enjoy my time with my kids if I'm not in Bigo, because if I'm in Bigo most of the time 8 hours 8 hours, 12 hours, I'm in Bigo, and my 12 hours is for my kids, and sometimes I don't sleep. Sometimes I don't sleep. Mm. That's how. Mm. Mm. Yet, sometimes, okay, it happened to me at first when I was new in Bigo. Of course, I'm new in this kind of platform when it's like it's new for me to see. Just like I said, every time I'm having relationship, I'm not used to receive gifts. I'm the one who's gifting. I'm the one who's gifting. That's why my mom hates me every time I'm having boyfriend. Which because I always spoil my boyfriend. I even just it happened to me one time, one of my exes, just to make him uh impress my mom, my family. So what I did, I gave him money just to buy me flowers and cakes. so so he can bring flowers and cakes to my mom, because it's my, I think it's a Valentine's Day. So he can bring flowers so he can impress my mom. So that's how stupid I am when it comes it's not stupid. That's how generous. That's how generous. Because just like I said, if you love someone, you doesn't really care how much you spend for that person, no matter what. It's a money, or it's your time. It's your life. It doesn't matter if how, as long as you love the person. So yeah, and it happened